Welcome to the VinascoFX. In this video, you will learn how to complete your KYC. The process is very simple. Visit VinascoForex.com and log into your VinascoFX account. Go to Dashboard. Click KYC under your Profile Settings tab. In Step 1, click on Upload button. Select your document type. You can select National ID, Passport, or Driving License. Click Choose File and upload front side of your document. Then upload back side of your document. Click Submit. You will be redirected to Dashboard. Go to KYC section again. In Step 2, enter your full name, father name, select gender, enter your national ID number, select your date of birth, national ID issue date and expiry date. Enter the current address, current city, current country, permanent address, city and country. Enter beneficiary details who can access this account after you. Enter beneficiary name, mobile number, relation and address. Click Submit KYC, which will be confirmed by a KYC successfully submitted pop-up alert. Congratulations! You have successfully submitted your KYC. Your documents will be reviewed by admin team and verified. Thank you.